Jesus left a very powerful word to all of us today. By their fruits, you will know them. Na tayo ay makikilala o makilala sa ating mga bunga o sa ating mga ginagawa. And the different fruits may come out in this life. Nagsisikap tayo na may maayos tayong buhay. We work well so that we can have good pay. At least we brainstorm a project so that we can accomplish or have a good outcome. We try to be good, patient, understanding, and kind so that we can also grow in values. But we have to acknowledge as well that some may not really have, so to say, good fruits. May mga nakakainis pakisamahan. May mga mahihirap kausapin. May mga sakit sa ulo. May mga mahihirap kausapin at madami pa pong iba. But today's word, my dear brothers and sisters, would like to invite us into this reality. Kung makikilala man po tayo, makilala naman sana tayo dahil sa kabutihang naibigay natin para sa iba. Makilala tayo sa mabubuting bunga. Dahil nakakahiya naman na nakikilala o makilala tayo sa madudumi, masasama, pangit na buhay at bunga na ito. If we will be known by our fruits, then let us be known through our good fruits. Maybe as a gentle person, as a prayerful person, a considerate person, a generous person, or maybe actions, thoughts that can express goodness to people. Huwag naman sanang makilala pa tayo bilang masama o pabigat sa buhay na ito. Kung makikilala man tayo, makilala at maalaala tayo sa ginawang kabutihan, sa mabubungang puso, at sa pagiging kapwa sa tao. As I've said, today is the feast of Jose Maria Escriva. He is known to be the saint for ordinary living. And let us not equate ordinary living with a mediocre living or a lifeless living. But our ordinary life can also be a source of how we can bear good fruits, how we can be good in this life. You may be a parent, a student, kasambahay ka, empleyado, retiree, nag-e-enjoy sa buhay na ito. Pari ako, naglilingkod po tayo sa simbahan. This is our ordinary way of life. This can also be ways how we can all bear good fruit. But let us not make ordinary living a way where can be known or where we can bear rotten fruits. But may ordinariness of life lead us to be known by people as someone who is good, reverent people, compassionate people, and gracious people. Kung makikilala man tayo, makilala sana tayong mabubuting tao at nagmamahal na tao. And we strive our daily work and concerns to be ways how we can bear good fruit, ways how we can be fruitful. And as we bear fruit, we be known as good men and women, good fruits coming from a good God, blessing us always.